everyone, I hope you all are good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel with the latest video. If you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. What is two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication, also known as two-step verification, is a security process that adds an extra layer of protection to your online accounts.